So the power of community. After the Swadharma summer school that we had done virtually, I noticed that the community has a power to actually bring major shifts. And at that time, I was doing Savitri reading in the morning, and it had become a little mechanical, and I wasn't getting a way out of it. And when Divyanshi said that you don't really need to be an artist for it, that is what really drew me. All throughout my journey, I got lines that were related to darkness, night, and ignorance. And I was just sitting wondering, ki, I'm always using the color black, I'm always using such darker shades. And I just was oblivious to the fact that I always used to draw this beautiful sun, because to go into the darkness, you need light to see things clearly. And similarly, in my life, I focused too much on the issues and not really the beautiful things that were already there present in me. When I started painting, I was really deeply drawn to red. And in the middle of the course, I noticed that since there was nothing red around me, and I was just wondering that why is it that externally I avoid red so much? I don't want to be associated with it, rather consciously avoid it. And then I realized that red actually evokes me to step back and relax and be a little bit of a grown up, to take responsibility for what I'm feeling and my thoughts and my attitude. And I realized that externally, maybe I was doing everything that a person my age should do and more. So I was very in this pseudo belief that I had created, that inside also I was completely responsible and on top of my game and really grown up and mature. And for me, I think externally avoiding red was avoiding power. And as Uncle Ben had said, that great power comes with great responsibility. And it was that I noticed about myself. When Divyanshi told us to choose the color red, I was really happy, because I found that concentration is actually very liberating for me. I don't have to think about all the other colors that I need to use in what proportion, where and all. So for my mind, it was actually liberating to just pour my energy onto one color. I always had this sort of seeking for aesthetics, and I think on these little stages, Savitri painting has just at least begun this journey by putting me on stage one, where I can just appreciate colors. And I think with time, I will be finally able to have some proper aesthetic sense and enjoy the play between beauty and harmony later on. This is the line of Savitri that I concentrated for a long time, that I am the mind of God's great ignorant world. Like the body and the heart were very happy. It was only the mind, the sadness and the disappointment and all I realized was only there in my thoughts and my mind. And this is one of the things that I realized, that how the mind had actually gripped me. But there was always light there, and it's just a bit of an awareness that has come. I won't say that it's completely settled now, but it's been a good awareness. My major takeaway from this is that the essence is so easy, simple and beautiful. Even with this presentation, I first made 10 slides and 11 slides. I really understood that if I just let my heart come out and understand what did I really take away from it, it's so easy, it's so simple actually. But when the mind has to construct and tell this I learned and all, it makes it so exhausting. The impact on my life has been one, that because red is the color of the physical, and I'm feeling this intense call for my body also, that I really connect with it, and there's something that I want to do with it. I can't be completely mental and just with books and just knowledge and being a pseudo intellect, and I'm not really relating to it. And there's something that I need to explore with the body, and developing a small sense of aesthetics, and just to find the sweet balance between the heart and the mind. The last painting is the one that was finally abstract, and the other ones were very, very structured and all. This is the last painting where I could really play around with colors and feel my heart coming out just in the last one. So I have a long way to go.